This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Danielle Gay. Come check this absolutely charming home out. Step into this perfectly located 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a large laundry room that includes a laundry sink and closet. This laundry room is so big that you can also use as an extra additional room/space for an arts and craft room, office, or den. The home is located just off Howard and I-275 ramp in West Tampa. Immediately upon opening door, you are greeted with a large open floor plan that leads to every part of your new home. This home features a formal living space, hardwood cabinetry in kitchen, and hardwood flooring in bedrooms and hallway. What is a home without a backyard? A nice sized backyard with concrete storage enclosed space and an area to lounge on cooler nights. This is also a great space for entertaining. The 1-bathroom is large and spacious with a tile shower/tub combo, and sink to share. Comes with newer air conditioner installed, 2017, as well as the roof, 2018. Enjoy this lovely place that you've been looking for. Perfect starter home, executive lifestyle, investment, airBNB, etc. This home has many possibilities. Hurry to see this home while it's still available. No H.O.A or C.D.Ds. For more information,